In this video, I'm going to show you how you can protect your mail using some anti-spam services, and also how you can block a particular sender that is perhaps is sending you emails from different mails account, and also how you can create a list of blocked email addresses. So usually I use Gmail, but you can also use other providers and services. I'm just gonna show you how usually it's done so that you can try with your provider. Now in Gmail, we already have an anti-spam service. So usually all the mails that are detected as spam will be automatically placed here. You can see right now I am inside this spam folder. Otherwise, they're gonna go in the inbox. But if you want to do this manually, sometimes not every spam has been detected, so you need to do this manually. Or sometimes perhaps you have a mail in the spam which is not a spam, so you need to retrieve it from the spam and place it back into your inbox, or perhaps another label. You can also create label, and when you create a label, for example, you can create one label called undesired, and you can create this label here and label this mail as undesired. So you can create like a list of undesired email and things like that. So well, here in the spam, let's just open up this mail. So if I click here, you can see that I can report these as not being spam, or else I can leave it here. In the other way, if I receive this mail in the standard inbox, you can click here. Up here you will find a button and say this is spam, so you can place it into the spam yourself. You can see it's automatically now labeled as spam, so this is a label that it's already there. But you can also again add another label, and let's see here. No, just click directly, sorry, up in here. There you go. So this could be like spam and also undesired, or just undesired. So you can create your own customized label of the spam or undesired. So also, if you click on these three dots, you can, well, I've already blocked this mail, but I can unblock. So if I unblock, I will continue to receive mails that will go in the spam automatically. But if I block it, I will not receive any mail at all. So this is like an extra measure, an extra the defense. So you can block it, and that's it. You will not receive any more mail from this particular email address or sender. Now you can also report phishing. Now if something it's more dangerous, and you think it's a virus or someone is trying to get your personal data, you think it's more serious, well, you can report it as phishing. So you will help your website, your web provider, your email provider to be more secure. So do it, and that's it. So this is basically what you can do. You either place it in the spam, block it, or report as phishing, or you can do also all of the three, I guess, and of course create your own label. So this is Gmail, one of the most popular email provider in the world. Now this one here is my service. It's another service that I use for email, and well, in this case I usually have the more or less the same option. So I need to check here. I have a checkbox here, and then on the top here I have this button that will help me to mark this as spam. And also here I have labels. So it's really similar. I think that all the different mail providers, they're kind of similar. So you will find probably the same thing, probably roughly in the same place. So I can check more than one and then place all those in the spam. Now you also see here that this service is telling me already that this is a possible spam, so probable spam. Now I have a spam folder also here, so I can also place this back and uncheck this as spam. So place it back, unmark as spam. So you can mark it and unmark it anytime. And as for the blocking list or blocking senders, I can go here in the let me see here. Well, sometimes you find it here in the rules, so you can like add filters, and you do have filters also here, so you can filter messages like these and create a filter, and like when you receive this from this email, you can just create a filter, and when you receive email like this, you can forward it perhaps to like a security mail, someone who is taking care of your security if you are like a big business, or you can just bring it into the label Undesired automatically, and that's it. So filters also are pretty handy. And here, well, let's finish. We need to go to the settings to block it. Sometimes you need to manage your like features in the settings. So look for the settings, and you can see here I have an anti-spam panel, and well, there you go, blocked and save sender. So I can define blocked senders, save recipient. But in this case, I want to block the sender. So here I will type the name and the address, the email address. So let's say that this is the email address that I want to block. I can say add, and this is going to be blocked, just like in Google. But here I also have an extra thing I can do. Well, perhaps you can do it also in your web service or in Google. So if you delete everything and type asterisk like that, you will be able to stop not only that precise email address, but all the email address coming from the same domain, the same website. So this is useful when like someone is sending you a lot of emails but using different names but from the same domain or same provider. So this will like stop. Yeah, I've already done that. I will add an X and add it. There you go. And so this is like an extra thing that you can do. Create like a list of blocked users, a list of blocked senders. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more videos about web services and graphic design, web design, 3D design. You will see in our channel, you will find a lot of courses and video guide of many different topics. And you can also support us by joining the channel as a supporter if you want to send us a little thank you. You can write comments, you can ask for assistance, you can give suggestions to other users, write them in the comments as well. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Check the other videos and see you in the next video.